My name is Betty Wambua. I'm a Senior Program Attorney at International Justice Mission, Kenya. At IJM Kenya, we are a team of lawyers, social workers, psychologists, and other professionals who rescue and restore victims of police abuse of power and violence against women and children. To do this, we ensure that the perpetrators of the violence are prosecuted, and we also work closely with government agencies to ensure that the criminal justice system is strengthened so that it can work for all. Today, I want to share some information with you on victims' rights. Do you know that victims of crime have rights? Victims of crimes have rights under the Victim Protection Act, which was enacted in 2014 to give effect to Article 59 of the Constitution of Kenya. The Act majorly provides for the realization of victims' rights during the trial and includes issues of security, confidentiality, compensation, and other forms of reparation. At IJM, we come in to support victims and survivors to ensure that they enjoy this array of rights. Victims and survivors are expected to be supplied with all the evidence that the prosecution and the defense intend to rely on. This evidence is supposed to be made sufficiently available to them at the onset of the trial, and they are also supposed to be sufficiently informed of the charges facing the offender. In cases where a victim or a survivor is unable to comprehend the proceedings, they are supposed to be availed an interpreter at the cost of the state. Therefore, as IJM, when we come in, we ensure that all vulnerable witnesses are fully supported so that they are able to access justice. At the end of the trial, during sentencing, IJM comes in to support victims and survivors to record victim impact statements. A victim impact statement helps the court to realize the harm or effect of the offense upon the survivor, and the court may consider this statement when sentencing the accused person. IJM is fully committed to ensure that the Victim Protection Act is fully implemented and that victims of crime are treated with dignity during criminal proceedings, and that they are able to access justice and fully enjoy the rights provided for under the Victim Protection Act. IJM is fully committed to help survivors and victims of crimes to fully enjoy the rights availed to them under the Victim Protection Act. And as I said earlier, we always work closely with partners to ensure that the criminal justice system is strengthened to ensure that these rights are fully realized. As I close, remember, as a victim or a survivor, you have rights.